Okay, so here's the other thing I worked on yesterday. How am I going to fill up this hole? I think what I'll do is I'll set the engine on its edge and I'll melt some regular aluminum into that hole. Now that won't seal, but it'll give me a piece that has the shape of the hole. Then I'll take some Aluma-Weld, which will seal, and weld that piece in with a flat top. Then I've got this piece made up. I'll put that in there. That attaches to this screw, and I'll weld it down to the patch that's in there. That's my plan. Hopefully it'll work. Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to work on this hole in the crankcase here this morning and see if we can't get it fixed. I tried out melting some regular aluminum rod and it seemed to work. I'll give you a preview here. Right there is the results of it when I dropped it down. So I'm thinking that if I drop it in this hole, I got a piece of rusty metal backing that hole up, that the aluminum won't stick to the rusty metal. It's oily and everything, but it should fill in this part that was broken out here. So let's get with it. All right, here we got the aluminum rod. Wish I had a little more pinpoint thing. But that, and I wanted to heat that. Shoot. I think what we'll do is we'll take the Aluma-Weld well, that looks a mess. We'll try and get some tools and grind it down a bit. I'm not sure if it's going to hold or not. Let's take this off. My backing plate didn't stick. So we got a blob in there. I'm trying to see if I can put it down a little bit. Aluminum doesn't sand worth a shit. Pardon my French. I think I need a tool for my Dremel. And I see a spot right there that I don't think is filled in. So, it means heat it up some more and put some more Aluma-Weld in it. I really need a milling tool. but I don't have one. I got a bad feeling it's still going to leak. You just can't get it hot enough. Well, I put a patch in there with Alumaweld. It doesn't appear to be leaking. I used air underneath here to see with a little liquid around here, and none of it popped up, came out. So I'm thinking it might be okay. I hope so. I'm not going to put the standoff here. I'm just going to rely on these others to hold that cover in place. I think it'll be fine. Probably been that way for years. So, on with the rest of the cleanup. Let's get this guy cleaned and painted, and see if we can't get it back in the bike sometime in the next week. Well, I got my patch installed in that hole. I'm not positive it's going to work. It may or it may not. If it doesn't, why, I'll either take it to a certified welder and get them to fix it right, or patch it up with JB Weld, maybe. I don't know. The other alternative is that I could buy a new case half for it. The other half has the serial number on it, and I want to keep the matching serial numbers. So we could possibly do that. We'll see how it goes, and I'll let you know.